How to convert Facebook account to page. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open the Facebook app and log into the account you want to convert. Tap three-line menu icon at top right corner of the screen. Now tap your profile name to access your profile feed. Now tap three dots at bottom right corner next to edit profile button. You will land on Profile Settings section, where at bottom you will find Turn on Professional Mode. Tap on it. Now tap on Turn on button and this will update your profile picture and cover photo. You can edit your bio and select a category, add your website and social links and create new content and review privacy settings. Once you complete the setup, your profile will switch to professional mode, turning it into a Facebook page. So, now you have successfully converted Facebook account to Peace. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.